Hey, it's Mike over at fishyourassoff.com and doing some kayak fishing today. We're up here in Vero. There's tons of bait around right now. Should be a pretty good day. Should be a pretty good day. Just out here on our kayak. A lot of people think we're just a fishing apparel company, but we also do kayak fishing charters too. So next time you're on fishyourassoff.com, click on the kayak fishing link that's on there, the tab, see what we offer as far as kayak fishing goes. All right, got something. Oh, nice. Oh, little trout, he got off. All right, so I was able to get some nice little finger mullet here. Got about a 2 or 3/0 circle hook. So I'm just gonna cast it up here to this fishy looking mangrove and see what's going on. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh, money. That's a money cast. See if I'm right. Oh, there we go. What do we got? What do we got here? Slam. Oh. Ah, nice little snook. Sweet. Come here, buddy. I gotcha. There we go. Nice little snook. He hit that finger mullet I had back there. Thanks, dude. Let you go right now. Thanks, dude. Ah, doesn't get much better than this.